starting around 24 walk 2024 stepn in a real sense is exchanging at $725 in term of its worst rate with a value change of 59% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. GMT by and large has a kind of complete market cap of $372, 74490 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91, 230, 384, which generally is very huge. This especially makes stepn GMT's sort of positioning at 127 in the digital money market in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2024, what will stepn generally be worth in 2024, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is stepn a wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is genuinely critical? Will GMT cost generally outperform its record-breaking kind of high in a quite enormous manner? These explicitly are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT cost especially is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $660, the normal genuinely least value worth of stepn toward. The finish of the genuinely current year ought to for the most part be $5051, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, GMT can fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $41 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how these basically are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which most certainly is genuinely huge. GMT value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn in every way that really matters is gauged to basically be at around and especially least worth of $616, which generally is genuinely critical. The stepn value worth can especially arrive at an especially limit of $29.43 with the very normal exchanging worth of $61 in USD, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge April 2024. With respect to April 2024, stepn truly is supposed to arrive at a by and large least value worth of $80.38, which really is genuinely huge. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $57 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $47 in a fundamentally significant manner. Stepn value forecast May 2024. The cost of stepn is especially anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $80.70 in May 2024 in a really significant way. The GMT cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $75 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $86 all through 2024, which for the most part shows that GMT basically has a really all-out market cap of $372, 704, 490 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91, 230, 384, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Stepn value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the truly greatest cost for stepn could in every practical sense stretch around $2.95, showing the way that the GMT cost could basically arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $57 with the especially normal cost around $47 in an essentially significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in June 2024 truly is $2.87 with a by and large normal cost of $96 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn GMT value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, stepn cost in every way that really matters is estimate to generally arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced cost of $111. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $419 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $220, showing that stepn GMT value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, stepn cost especially is estimate to by and large arrive at an actually the least cost of $11, which truly is very huge. GMT value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of stepn certainly is determined to in a real sense be at around a kind of least worth of $148 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. The stepn value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $548 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $284 in USD, or so they essentially thought. Stepn value expectation September 2024. The cost of stepn is truly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $307 in September 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The GMT cost could especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.679 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.8416 all through 2024, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. GMT value estimate October 2024. The stepn conjecture for October 2024 expects that the GMT may in a real sense arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $38.16 with an especially least cost of around $382, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Discussing that for the most part normal value GMT can really stretch around only $5.18 for October in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn value gauge November 2024. The by and large normal cost of stepn GMT could for the most part go to $588 toward the finish of November 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. GMT could basically be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of near $992 with a base expected cost of $452, which generally is very huge. Stepn value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of stepn basically is supposed to explicitly be at around an extremely least of $551 in a significant manner. Stepn cost can basically arrive at a very limited $71 with the extremely normal cost of $660 in USD, demonstrating the way that the GMT cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $375 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $6 all through 2024, which sort of shows that GMT in a real sense has a very all-out market cap of $372,744.90 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,384, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Stepn in every way that really matters, past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours the crypto all things considered has been fundamentally diminished by 0.5% in its all things considered current worth amazingly. Assuming we certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which in a real sense shows that besides the minimum cost of GMT in June 2024 basically is $9.87 with a truly normal cost of $9.96 in a truly significant manner. Stepn is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which really is genuinely critical. The GMT sort of is down to nearly 7-12% in the by and large most recent 7 days. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly past in every practical sense. Not many days, the coin could generally have areas of strength for really at the same time. We don't imagine that it would have beneficial resource in kind of present moment, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Stepn value gauge 2024 facts. What will sort of be stepn exceptionally worth in 2024, which in